For this tutorial, we're going to look at how to assess the alignment accuracy of a specific point and to define when it is not necessary anymore to place more points. In that case, we have already pre-aligned two pictures that you recognize, and in the eC-CLEM window, we will click on the Monitor a Target Point. It creates a new window that will be a graph exploiting the accuracy on the local point. What you do now is you find a spot of interest. Here we will look at the transfer in Alexa, which is the spot of interest, and place a landmark here. Now we can switch off the Alexa transferring signal and start to place more points to have localization accuracy. So we'll place it in each spot of interest. And what you can see already is that on the graph up there, a new point has appeared. And as soon as you will add a new point and it will compute the alignment registration error, it will give you a graphical value. When you click on this point and you place your localization point as much as you can around your spot of interest, it will calculate the local alignment error that you will need to have accurate registration. Once you have placed enough points, you can realize already that the predicted error on monitor target will not go below a certain value, which is dependent actually on your image scales, and at some point you cannot go beyond a certain accuracy. Here we're at approximately 130 nanometer accuracy. The value is given in nanometers. We can place more points, but to some extent this will not affect the real final registration accuracy. Once this plateau is reached, you can consider that your alignment is precise enough and you don't need to add more points, so you can simply stop the plugin. It will create an automatic overlay, and this overlay can be adjusted according to what you desire. Here in that case, if I modify the transmitted light display here, the white points correspond to the melanosomes that we were looking at earlier on. If you go here and adjust the threshold and the histogram on the electron microscopy, we can see already that the melanosomes are fitting together with the melanosomes here, and also that the quantum dots are overlaying according to the localization.